Hello everyone, my name is Evie and welcome to my channel. In this video I'll guide you step by step on how to crochet these shorts with fringe. My client had paired it with a white top, diamond top that I did in the previous video. So please sit back and let's crochet together. Also like the video, subscribe and comment. For the shorts I'll be using this acrylic yarn in color sky blue. My all-time crochet hook, this is 2mm hook, my pair of scissors and my tape measure. So to start, I'll start by making a waistband, and for the waistband I will make a chain. To start, I'll make a chain of 30 inches. That's the waist measurement. So make a magic ring and then chain 30 inches. So I have my 30 inches chain ready. The next thing I'll do is I'll be placing double crochets, and I will take this end and this other end here and join it together with a slip stitch. And then now work double crochets all around the chain. Now from here I will make a slip stitch to join the two, and then I'll proceed with a double crochet, and I'll be working front posts, double crochets. So once I've done a double crochet there, the next double crochet will be under, and then a normal double crochet on the next stitch, and the next under the double crochet, so proceed with your double crochets front posts, and I will catch up with you once I'm back here. Back here where we started again, I'll make a slip stitch and then chain 2 that marks as our double crochet, and then continue with the double crochet front post, and I'll be making only 3 rows of the double crochet front post as our waistband. So proceed all the way around, and then I'll meet you once we are back here. To finish off the line, I will proceed now with double crochets. I'm done with the waist area, and then I'll put my marker right there, and now I'll be working double crochets all through. But before, I'll make an increase, and for an increase it's 2 double crochet on the same stitch for the hips measurement. So I'll place an increase right here and also at the corner here, because I need at 37 hips measurements. I need to do a 37 hips measurement. So proceed with double crochets all the way to the corner of your work, and then I'll place an increase there. Now on this other side I will place a double crochet, but first I'll take off my crochet hook, place a double crochet and another double crochet as our hips increases. So, and then I'll proceed with double crochet and then put back my mark and continue. I'll be increasing for the hips measurements. On my projects I normally increase at the corners, like on this side and on this other corner. So I'll proceed and then I'll show you how to increase on the second row. Here on where we started for my second row, I'll place, as you can see, I place an increase right here. So I'll alternate, I'll place an increase right before the first increase, and that's 2 double crochet on the same stitch, and then proceed with double crochets all through. Just make sure you don't place your increase at the same spot like here, because it's going to form a V-stitch pattern. If you're okay, when you're increasing on the next rows, just make sure it's not on the same spot, either before or after the previous increase. So proceed with double crochets and I'll catch up with you. I'll work off camera and then I'll catch up with you once I have my desired hips measurements, which is 37 inches. So guys, I've reached my hips measurement, half of it, which is 18 and a half. That is 37. Yeah, so from here I'll just proceed without increasing all the way down. If you haven't reached your hips measurements, you can still continue increasing. Then I'll catch up with you once I'm working on my thigh area, the crotch part, and I'll be working off camera. I've done a length of 8 inches. So the next thing right here in the middle, I'll be now working on my thigh areas. So what I'll do now, this one depends with the this size, hip size measurements for this short. Before proceeding, just please make sure you measure first before, like fit in first and then proceed. Yeah, so from here at the center I will chain 25. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25. After chaining 25, I will at the center, wait, I will at the center here, I will make a slip stitch. So right here I'll take this chain and then make a slip stitch like so. Okay, let's turn it this way. Here is my center. I will make a slip stitch like so, and then chain one. Now I'll be working on this part here from this corner around back to this corner, and I will proceed with my double crochets all through. On these chains also I will be placing double crochets all through. Like I said, we're working double crochets around the thigh area. Is it thigh or crotch area? I don't know. Yeah, so I'll proceed with double crochets, and I'm not so sure how many rows I'll make. Also, this one depends with how short or how long you want the short to be. Yeah, so I'll work off camera and then I'll let you know how many rows I did. Yeah, so work all around this area. So I've done 1 2 3 4 5 6 rows, so I'm okay with that length. The next thing is I will make a slip stitch and then cut my yarn right there and make a slip knot. I'm done with one side of the thighs, so I'll be working on the other side. So I will tuck this in. Now for this other part right here, I will insert my hook here and my yarn and then proceed with double crochets. So I'll chain 2 that counts as a double crochet, and then proceed with double crochets all around this other part. And I'll be working off camera. I'm done with this other side of my shorts, so I'll just go ahead, cut my yarn and then make a slip stitch and a slip knot to close off the row. Then I'll pull tight, make another knot, now the next step is I'll be placing my fringe. And for the fringe I will just take my yarn like so and then wrap it around my fingers like so. and then cut. If you have a flat object, you can also use it, but I hate to improvise. I don't have anything flat. And then I'll take six. I'll take 6 strands. This is three. Yeah, I'll take 6 strands and then attach it. To attach, it's basically like this, no formula. And then I'll pull tight, and then take 6 more. 3, and then space it out, and I'll attach right here. So I'll put my fringe all around and also on this other side, and then I'll show you the next and the last step. So 6, take 6, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Attach it right here. My fringe are ready, so the next thing I'll be making the drawstring, and I'll take my single yarn, make a magic ring, and then just do normal chains long enough to wrap around to go around the waist of these shorts. So I have it ready. It's about 38 length inches, so I will attach it right here on my shorts, and I'll be no formula. I'll just place it like that all around my shorts. Just like that. Around the shorts. That's it for the shorts, and the drawstrings she'll be tying it from the inside like that. That's it for the shorts. Thanks for watching, and please like, leave a comment, and subscribe if you haven't.